Hi, I'm Vidya. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. Education Minister reviews NEET UG re-exam preparedness with former ISRO chief, enhanced security and surveillance measures planned for 21st June test. The nationwide re-examination will be held at more than 5,400 centers across 550 cities with a focus on fair conduct, exam integrity and student-friendly facilities. CBSE opens Class 12 re-evaluation process amid OSM concerns. Over 4 lakh students request 11 lakh plus answer sheets. Nearly 9 lakh scan copies have already been released as students report issues such as unchecked responses, blurred scans and evaluation discrepancies under the new on-screen marking system. No student will suffer. Education Minister reviews CBSE evaluation and post-result processes with IIT experts and key stakeholders amid concerns over the scanning and evaluation of nearly 40 crore answer sheet pages under the OSM system. The meeting focused on strengthening digital platforms, building a more student-friendly re-evaluation process and enhancing transparency, monitoring and technology-enabled student support services. CBSE relaxed key technical requirements in its third OSM tender after 2 unsuccessful bidding rounds and selected a vendor just months before the nationwide Class 12 rollout. The system later evaluated nearly 9.9 million answer books, while concerns over scanning quality and evaluation discrepancies triggered a review of the process. Defend OSM, don't panic. CBSE under fire after reports claim schools were given a toolkit encouraging principals and students to create reels and social media posts supporting the on-screen marking system. The move comes amid growing complaints over evaluation discrepancies, blurred answer sheets and technical issues in the digital assessment process. NEET UG 2026 fee refund window extended till 22nd June, around 13 lakh. Candidates have already submitted bank details. NTA urged remaining eligible candidates to update their account information on the NEET portal for direct refund processing, warning that no changes will be allowed after submission. Indian Air Force to join NEET UG re-exam logistics as center tightens security measures. Education Minister said the IAF will assist in secure transportation of question papers for 21st June re-examination, while a high-level meeting reviewed leak-proof arrangements and strengthened coordination among the Education Ministry, Defence Ministry, NTA and state agencies. NCERT launches free 21-week online English course for Class 12 students on Swayam. The program covers reading, writing, prose and poetry skills through e-content, tutorials and self-assessments, with registration open until 1st September and classes continuing till 15 September 2026. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.